Okay, so this is Pliny writing to the Emperor Trajan. It's about an aqueduct. So I'm going to translate this in as like for. So for the passage of water, or like for an aqueduct, oh, master, lord, whatever, the Nicomendesians have paid 3,318,000 sesterces. The aqueduct, which, yet incomplete and abandoned, also has been destroyed. You could also think of these just being three verbs, like which is incomplete, has been abandoned, and has been destroyed. Again, 200,000 was spent for another aqueduct. With this one also having been left behind, there is need of like a new expenditure so that they may have water. They who, right, the Nicodemesians, who evilly destroyed so much money. I myself have found, or like come to, a very pure spring, from which water seems like it ought to be let out, just as had been attempted in the beginning. With an arched work, so that the water may not come only to the like flat and low places of like the state or the city. Very few arches still remain. Certain ones, certain ones are able also to be that word. One second. Certain ones are able to be like set up or like erected by means of like a cut, like squared off stone. There are notes about all of these architectural phrases. Ones which have been pulled out from an earlier work, or the earlier work. One part, or like some part, as it seems to me, like must be made like in the future by means of a brickwork. Truly, it would be, or is, easier and cheaper. But the very first thing, in the first place, it is necessary that either a water diviner or an architect be sent for by you, so that what happened may not happen again. I affirm that one thing, like that the utility and the beauty of the work is very worthy of your age. Remember that dignus, whatever you're worthy of in Latin, takes an ablative. Check out my manicure.